In this video, we're going to be solving exercise 1 of Pitman Shorthand. So first we have this P character, then we have this B character. So P in Pitman Shorthand is made like this and B is made like this. Alright, so what we need to do now, we need to make these characters, and at the same time we also have to speak the name of these characters like this. P, B. Alright, so first we made this P character, then we made this B characters. So now we need to repeat this task until we run out of space. So it goes like this. P, B, 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 P, B. So we saw that we just run out of space here. And now the next characters are T and D. Okay, so it goes like this. T, D, 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 T, D. Next we have Cha and J, or J or J. So J, 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 or Cha, J, Cha, J, Cha, J, Cha, J, Cha, J, Cha, J. Next we have K and G. So K, G, K, G, K, G, K, G, K, G, K, G, K, G. Next we have this F and V. So F, V, 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 F, V. Next we have it and the. So it, the, 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 it, the. Next we have S and Z. So S, Z, 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 S, Z. Next we have Ish and Z. So Ish, Z, 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 Ish, Z. Alright, next we have M. So M, 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 M. Next we have N. So N, 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 N. Okay, next we have this ing. So ing goes like this. Ing, 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 ing. Next we have L. So L, 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 L. Next we have this R. R, 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 R. And now we have again the R, but this one is the another way, like this. R, 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 R. Because there are two ways in which R can be written. This one is the first way and this one is the second way. Okay, so now we have way. So way is like this. way, 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 way. Now we have ye. So ye is like this. Ye, 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 ye. Alright, next we have this etch. So it goes like etch, 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 etch. So next one is again the etch, but this one is the next way. This we have this one way to write etch. Now we have this second way of writing the etch. So it goes like this: etch, 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 etch. Alright, so that was all about it. See you in the next video.